Good morning, family. It's bright and early, September the 30th on a Saturday morning. Not that bright and early, I guess about 9 a.m. But I'm trying to get ahead of my day and clean out some more of these beds. This bed here is a front bed that's in the front of my yard, and it's basically a random catch-all. I put some bulbs down that really didn't come up, like gladiolas and things of that nature, black elephant ears, this pink mully grass. But I do have a couple of banana trees here. As you can see, they're thriving. We had someone come and put down mulch a while back, I guess in the summer, and they covered the little baby plants last summer, and I thought they were done for it. But they end up coming back again. I don't know what type of banana plants these are. They were gifted to me, and for whatever reason I can't eat bananas anymore. I've developed some type of allergy. But anyhow, they have thrived in this area. I don't know if you guys can see a little bit of sun coming in the glare, but the sun rises right over there and comes across. So it gets about, I would say, I don't know, maybe 4, 5, 6 hours of sun a day. They're doing well. And I also have a lot of pups. And that's basically new plants that are growing up. And this plant, I would say, is about, I'm 5'5". So this is every bit of like more than 6 feet tall. This is the first one. And the small pups down there. So you can get a lot of plants off of one. But yeah, and this is the other one. And it's the same. This seems to have more pups than the other. But yeah, I really thought it was done for, but they came back. So, and I'm happy with that. So like I said, this is a bed that I am testing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's pretty big. It is really pretty big. But I was cleaning that out because I had some random weeds in there. It was looking unsightly. So, everywhere you see the mulch, as far as the eye can see, and just behind that banana tree, that's just a big boulder that we can't move. And earlier in the spring or summer, I planted yarrow. So, I had quite a few, but some of them have died. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 6 left. So hopefully they'll survive and fill out the area. And basically what I'm doing is just coming in, cleaning out some of these little unruly grasses. But this is my other bed. Catch-all bed. Bananas. Beautiful. And especially with the time changing, I need to maximize every bit of sunlight. Have a beautiful Saturday, everyone. Keep gardening.